Regardless of the season, moisturizing is key. So today on Beauty on a Budget, we talk about body lotions. The first one is the Nivea Unisex Body Milk Nourishing Lotion. It isn't just affordable, but it has one of the best formulas out there. It quickly absorbs into your skin and there is no sticky residue. The next one is the Mamaearth Unisex Vitamin C and Honey Body Lotion. This alone should make a strong case for the moisturizer, but it has also vitamin C, which adds a glow to your skin. The last one is the Body Shop Almond Milk Sustainable Body Yogurt. Honestly, I cannot stop touching my skin after I apply this one. It doesn't feel greasy, it is just, so soft. As I said earlier, moisturizing your body is key. So keep at it and I will see you next time. Exfoliation is an important step in a good skincare routine. Today, for Beauty on a Budget, we pick out our favorite scrubs under 500. First up, the Biotique Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. The micro granules in this scrub are very gentle on your skin. That is something that you should look for in any scrub, so your skin doesn't get damaged. It is made from actual papaya extracts, which helps with tan removal. This MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub uses coffee to give you naturally polished skin. Also, it smells delicious. This scrub also has argan oil and vitamin E, which nourishes your skin once the dead skin cells are removed. Lastly, we have the rejuvenating Ubtan Coco Nourish Scrub. It is almost like DIY, but backed with some major beauty expertise. Just mix it with milk or rose water to form a thick paste and then use it. The unique thing is the scrub is made in small batches and contains turmeric, red lentils, and whole green moong. That's all we have for you today. See you next time. If you love makeup and don't know where to store it, today for Beauty on a Budget, we bring you 3 makeup bags. The Innisfree Unisex White and Black Printed India In-Flight Cosmetic Pouch, as the name suggests, is ideal for on the go. This pouch is to carry a few small travel-sized products. The Cortina Unisex Blue and Off-White Printed Makeup Organizer makes for the ideal tote bag companion. It folds up nicely on the top so it can easily slide into your bag and the base is flat. The big one is the Cortina Unisex Green Perforated Makeup Organizer. This one is a beautiful buy for your vanity or dressing table. Hope we have solved your makeup storage woes with this one.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.